Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily archive a project in Asana. To archive a project, find a project on the left hand side. On the projects, right click on the project and here you'll have archive project. Click on archive and that project will be archived. If at any point in time you want to find those archive project, I'm going to show you how you can easily find it. In the search, just simply click the search box at the top and you will see that you have advanced search towards the right hand side of the box. Click on advanced search. It's going to open up a menu just like this, or the same menu, and from here you can go ahead and switch the type. So here you can click the type and you can change to whatever you want. So in this case we're talking about projects, so we're going to switch this to project. Now the next thing is to switch the status of that, so you can switch this from any to archive. Then click on search and it's going to find your archive projects. And that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple.